Before we move on to machine learning, I have a question for you. How could you tell apples and oranges apart? That's right, we can tell both apart by their physical appearance, shape, texture, color, size, and even taste. All these traits are called features. When we see a person or an object, we subconsciously observe their features and tell them apart. But the question remains, how can a computer perform such tasks? The answer to this question is through machine learning. So let us see what actually is machine learning. After seeing a person or an object, our brain automatically feeds in the feature of that particular thing or person. So in future we know who is who and what is what. But in terms of computers, to do so, we provide them with a feature set which is also referred to as an observation, and along with that we give them labels for each object so that they can perform machine learning algorithms on the provided input and train themselves to make future predictions, learn from that data, and improve throughout the process. Let's see the phenomena discussed diagrammatically. Over here you can see that some data and labels are being supplied to the machine learning algorithm. As a result, a machine learning model is being trained. After training the model, test data is provided to the model. In this case, you can see that two shapes are supplied as test data to make further predictions. But over here, the labels are not provided. The model predicts what type of shape are these and give the predicted output. All of this is a summarized machine learning procedure, and we are going to discuss this in detail throughout the course.